From the Consumer Electronics Show in Las Vegas, this is an ITTV special report.
Our next guest is unveiling some more cool new products. They never let us down. They always have a lot of fun things to talk about, and they're doing it again here at CES. Our listeners may be familiar with a lot of their products that we've talked about for years on Into Tomorrow, because especially a lot of the prizes we give away come regularly from our next guest's company. He's the managing director for Honestech Technology, Jay Choi. Jay, welcome back Into Tomorrow. How you doing?
Thanks for having me.
It's a pleasure. And you know what? We have you not only because you're always providing great giveaways for our audience, and everybody loves that, but you've got great products that are fun to talk about, and we love sharing them. So what are you introducing here at CES this year?
Today we're talking about some apps, because the apps are being very popular. People are having Android phones, iPhones, tablet PCs based on Android. So we're going to talk about some new apps we have for consumers.
Okay, such as? Give me an idea then.
Okay, one of them is called Honestech Smart Recorder. Even though it has a box, it doesn't have any CD in it, because you normally have to buy apps from iTunes or a marketplace vendor devices.
Right.
So what it has is, on the back, you see, it has, that's like navigation. You have a holder to hold your phone. It has power, USB power. If you don't have a USB power on your car, you could hook it up and get a USB power, and include all the car kit for your phones. So you could charge your phone while you're using the app.
Yeah, various connectors come with it, retractable USB charger cable, the mobile phone car holder itself, which is pretty cool, and of course a USB car charger. So you really have thought of everything that we're going to need in order to be mobile and make it easy to drive. This allows us as well to record while we're driving?
Yes.
So it's kind of like a police camera, a police dash cam in a sense that we can record where we're going?
It's like a black box for your car. So when you're driving, just think you get in an accident, if you have a system apps running, then you know for sure that you have a video capturing what happened while you're driving the car.
Wow, that's pretty neat. So imagine those of you listening on the radio not yet seeing the video, that it's kind of like a regular vehicle navigation type thing that you might clip to the window with a suction cup to the dashboard or something. Only in this case, it's recording everything ahead of you.
Yes.
Looking out your dashboard, what you're seeing, it's recording.
So every phone nowadays, smartphones, have a camera front and back. So what our app is utilizing the camera already on the phone, and you're just using your mobile phone as video recording device.
That's pretty cool. Now, can we also then be using the phone at the same time for other functions, like maybe navigation or being able to take or make calls? Or?
Yes.
Good. So it is not tying up the device with only recording.
No, it doesn't.
And how much memory does it take up? Because I'm hearing our listeners kind of talking to me in my head saying, well, that sounds cool, but do I need a whole lot of storage space in order to record while I'm driving?
I don't think so. I think 1 hour is about 10 megabytes.
Oh, okay.
And
we can do that easily on a little card.
And we're using MP4 format, so it does a really good job of compression.
Wow. Okay.
So you get a good quality video at low memory space, so I think it will not be a problem.
Very cool. And of course, obviously, if nothing happens, you can simply erase or it just records over the old stuff. But if anything should happen, whether it's an accident, hopefully not, or anything unusual that takes place while you're driving, you've got a record of it.
That's right.
I like that. All right, now let's talk real quick before we run out of time about some other cool things. Honestech End Screen, wirelessly project your PC or handheld to your TV. Now, this is a great idea. So much content that we all have these days, and if we could only see it on a big screen instead of gathering the family around the computer. And I'm assuming that's what this does. Tell us about End Screen.
Okay, people talking about DLNA technology on big screen TVs, routers, PC, DLNA. It means using the router or the home network Wi-Fi system, and the IT companies are trying to get into living room, consumer electronics space. So what we have is turning your PC, if you have a software installed, if you have a DLNA TV or DLNA enabled dongle, you could project what's on the screen in high-def quality to your projector or TV.
And you're doing this wirelessly. So is this Bluetooth or Wi-Fi or a proprietary wireless technology? How does it work?
What happens is if our software is installed on your computer or tablet PC or your mobile phone, when the background is capturing and rendering, encoding, and streaming to your Wi-Fi device.
Wow, very cool. When will it be available and how much?
Right now, if you already have DNA TV, the application itself is around $50.
Only $50?
Only $50.
Gee.
But most people do not have
Right, not
those.
everybody has the DLNA capable TV.
We're gonna, we have all out-of-the-box solution. We're famous for having everything included in the box. So we're gonna have another version, deluxe version that has a dongle that enable your TV or projector to be DNLA, and that will be around $100.
Excellent, and available fairly soon?
Yes, fairly soon.
Very good. Check all the cool things from Honestech out at their site, honestech.com. It's HONESTECH.com. And of course, we'll link you there as always when you hit us up at intotomorrow.com. Jay, thanks again for joining us. Keep making fun things and we'll keep talking about it.
So, thank you.